Are you ready to ditch the diet roller coaster and achieve lasting results? Today, I'm spilling the beans on my top 5 weight loss secrets. Forget the gimmicks, and let's dive straight into the science-backed strategies that'll have you shedding those pounds while feeling amazing. Stick around for more, because we're about to transform your wellness game. It's important to remember that this isn't about crash diets or quick fixes. It's about creating sustainable habits that lead to a healthier, happier you. So let's crush those weight loss goals together. First up is the calorie equation, which is effectively the primary guide to sustainable weight loss. At its core, weight loss hinges on energy balance. Our bodies constantly burn calories for essential functions and physical activity. When we consume more calories than we burn, we create a surplus, leading to weight gain. Conversely, a caloric deficit, burning more calories than we consume, results in weight loss. Several factors influence calorie expenditure. Basal metabolic rate, or BMR, represents the energy needed for basic functions at rest. Your activity level also plays a significant role. Calculate your BMR to establish a starting point for daily calorie needs. For sustainable weight loss, create a safe deficit by subtracting 500 to 1,000 calories. Avoid going below 1,500 calories per day without consulting a doctor. Weight loss goals vary. A 500-calorie deficit yields on average 1 pound per week, while a 1,000-calorie deficit equals a 2-pound weekly loss on average. Once you reach your goal, adjust your calories for maintenance. Always prioritize safety and consult a physician before making drastic changes. Up next is unleashing the power of your muscles and the transformative power of resistance training. While it's true that controlling your calorie intake plays a pivotal role in weight management, it's only part of the equation. Many quick-fix diets that promise speedy weight loss often result in a reduction of muscle mass along with fat. It's important to remember that muscles are your body's natural calorie burners, even when you're at rest. So, losing muscle mass can inadvertently slow down your metabolism, making it increasingly challenging to not only lose weight but also maintain your weight loss over time. This is where the magic of resistance training, also known as strength training, comes into play. It's a powerful tool in your fitness arsenal that helps counteract this issue. By integrating exercises that target various muscle groups into your workout routine, you can build and preserve muscle mass. This not only enhances your physical appearance, but also supercharges your metabolism, enabling you to burn more calories throughout the day, even during periods of inactivity. Embark on your strength training journey with bodyweight exercises such as squats, lunges, and push-ups. As your strength increases, consider adding free weights, resistance bands, or weight machines to your regimen. Strive for a minimum of 2 to 3 resistance training sessions per week, focusing on major muscle groups. Enlisting the guidance of a certified personal trainer can be invaluable in crafting a workout routine that's both safe and effective for you. The next critical factor is water, your body's indispensable partner. Water is not just a necessity for survival, it's your body's trusted companion. It plays a pivotal role in a multitude of bodily functions, from regulating temperature to aiding nutrient absorption and digestion. Dehydration can sometimes masquerade as hunger, leading to unnecessary overeating. By staying adequately hydrated, you can keep cravings at bay, enhance feelings of fullness, and even give your metabolism a boost. Make it a habit to drink water consistently throughout the day, even if you don't feel particularly thirsty. The National Academy of Medicine recommends that women should aim to drink an average of 9 cups or 72 ounces per day, and men should strive for 13 cups or 104 ounces. However, the actual amount needed can vary depending on your physical size and level of daily activity. If you're engaging in strenuous exercise, remember to increase your water intake to match your exertion. Consider replacing your sugary beverages with water. While those morning lattes and afternoon sodas might taste delightful, they won't help you in your quest to lower the numbers on your scale. Sugary drinks are essentially empty calories, and frequent consumption can lead to weight gain, tooth decay, cavities, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and kidney disease. For a refreshing alternative, try unsweetened herbal teas or infuse your water with fruits, vegetables, or fresh herbs. One of my top tips to ensure you're drinking more water is to always have it within reach, even if you're just making a quick trip to the grocery store. Having a beverage on hand might deter you from reaching for a soda at the checkout. I recommend investing in a reusable insulated cup if you don't already have one. It's a convenient way to refill and stay hydrated on the go. The next element is protein, which is a cornerstone of any weight loss journey. Protein is more than just a macronutrient. It's a key player in the game of weight management. It serves as the architect and repairman of muscle tissue, a promoter of satiety, and a regulator of appetite hormones. Research has illuminated the fact that a higher protein intake can ignite calorie burning and curb cravings, both of which are instrumental in weight loss. Make it a priority to weave lean protein sources into the fabric of your diet. This includes foods like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and low-fat dairy products. To determine your daily protein needs for weight loss, take your weight and multiply it by 0.8. This will give you the amount of protein in grams that your body requires. If your goal is to build muscle mass, take your weight and multiply it by a range of 0.09 to 1.0. Remember, this amount can be fine-tuned based on your activity level and individual needs. Last up is sleep. Sleep is not just a necessity, it's a vital pillar of health, yet it's often overlooked, with many people not getting the recommended amount. When it comes to weight loss, sleep deprivation can play havoc with your hormones, specifically leptin, which signals fullness, and ghrelin, which triggers hunger. A lack of sleep can lead to an increase in ghrelin and a decrease in leptin, leaving you feeling hungrier and more prone to reaching for unhealthy calorie-rich foods. Making quality sleep a priority is a game changer for successful weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Consistency is key, so try to establish a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. While there may be occasional exceptions, a set routine will help keep you on track. Consider crafting a soothing bedtime routine that could include a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to tranquil music. Also, ensure your bedroom environment is conducive to sleep. Dark, quiet, and cool. It's widely recognized that exposure to blue light at night can interfere with your sleep by suppressing the production of melatonin, a hormone that promotes restful sleep. To boost melatonin production, consider turning off your TV and electronic devices an hour before bedtime. If this isn't feasible, try switching your devices to night mode to minimize blue light exposure. Dimming the lights in your home can also aid in melatonin production. Check out our video, linked here in the top right, for a comprehensive exploration of the relationship between sleep and weight management. Time to wrap this fun up for now. Remember, the journey to weight loss is not a sprint but a marathon. It's about creating a caloric deficit, embracing resistance training, prioritizing hydration, ensuring adequate protein intake, and giving sleep the importance it deserves. These are the pillars of a sustainable and healthy weight loss journey. When these strategies are combined, they work in harmony to promote fat loss, preserve muscle mass, and rev up your metabolism. By adopting these practices and making incremental changes to your lifestyle, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. You'll not only see improvements in your weight, but also in your overall health and well-being. Before embarking on any new diet or exercise program, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on leading a healthy lifestyle. It really does help us bring more helpful content for total health and wellness. Until our next rendezvous, stay happy and stay healthy.